Alright, on the last video, I forgot to show you guys the brackets I did. This is how they look. It's a little dirty, but that's how they look. So the radiator sits right there. Radiator's there. And I did bring my toolbox so I can put the cushions that I was telling you right there. The weather's weird. It's like 60 degrees outside. I don't understand, but whatever. So now that you've seen the brackets, I'm not gonna put the radiator in yet because I still need to get a hose clamp for here and for here, so that way I don't have to take it back out. But I am gonna put the foam things now. And then I did bring some goodies. I brought the bracket up top that I was telling you that I'm gonna get. So this bracket is gonna go up here, holding the like this, holding the radiator on the top. I still have to hit this more with paint. But I also got a K-Tune oil cap, and this nut that's in there. I realized here that I didn't have a nut, so there's a little gap here on the that I have to take care of, so that way the engine comes up a little bit. So I'm gonna put that bolt in now and the oil cap, and then we'll work on the new shift box that I got instead of this ugly one that's in here. So let me open this bag up, put this on first. It looks really nice compared to that. 1 second. This is not a necessity. This is just, you know, me being a little picky, and I don't know. I just like things to look nice. So once that's on there, as snug as you like it, you don't want to put the sticker on until it's snugged. So that way, I'm actually gonna go with this one that says K-Tune, and then you line it up straight. As a matter of fact, let me see which one I like better. It brings two. I don't know. I think I'm just gonna go with the K-Tune one. Well, that was a complete fail. I went to put it on, and the K-Tune was sideways like this, and I didn't like it. So I tried to pull it back on, it came apart. So I guess I'm gonna have to use that one. There you go. I'm satisfied. But everything's getting moisture because it's nice out. It's like 63 degrees outside, and it's cold in my garage. So everything's just getting moisture. It looks weird, toolbox and everything. So just keep chucking away here. All right, now that I got all that situated and you saw the cushions I put on the bracket, I'm gonna go ahead and install the shift box. So let's get to it. So this is a eBay shift box that I found for like $90. It's not K-Tune. The shift knob is, as you can see. But the reason why I'm changing it is because I don't know if I'm gonna be able to put my center console in. So let me turn on the light. So I'd rather have that billet one versus this ugly one. So I'm gonna go ahead and change that now. Okay, now that I got the shift cables out, obviously you want to take these little cotter pins out, and they lock in here, and then you twist this out to get it out from here, and then on the other cable you have a locking clip that goes here for this, and then another cotter pin that goes in this hole for this cable. So you just want to take those out, and then just like that, your shift cable's out, and then let's unbolt it and put the new one in. That looks so ugly. But I do have a shift plate that I've been installed. Also, this is an eBay shift plate. I paid like $33 for this. It does the job just like K-Tune or any other shift plate. So I figured, I'm a broke guy. So since I'm a broke guy, why not just, you know, go the cheap route for now until I can afford better stuff. All right. Well, I was just talking to my cousin, but gonna go ahead and bolt this one down. Hopefully everything goes in without a problem. But look how much nicer that looks compared to that ugly other thing. You know, I decided to spray paint it like an idiot. But yeah, these go in there, pretty simple. And then I am gonna put my wow. I'm gonna put the center console cover back on. I'm just gonna cut out and try to avoid cutting as much as I can so I don't see the red in either spot. So let me bolt this down. This is so hard to do with one hand. The shift box is bolted up. It's good to go. So now I'm gonna drop the oil pan because I know there's a little bit of metal shavings because the drain plug was messed up and we tried to clean it and sprayed a little brake cleaner in there. So I'm gonna drop it down so I can fix it, you know, Honda bonnet for now. So that way I can go and get some oil and we might try to turn it over today. It's not gonna start because it's not on a K-Pro. I do have the stock ECU somewhere in here. Right there. So I'm gonna plug it in and obviously it's not gonna start because the mold will be light, but I'm gonna turn it over, see, make sure I don't have any fuel leaks and just to make sure that the grounds work and everything's working the way it's supposed to. And if it turns over, then I'm good. I just gotta get a K-Pro and it'll start right up. So let me drop the oil pan. So I got the oil pan off. I did find a little bit of the threads that were stripped out inside the pan. I threw them in there. I wiped it down, make sure there's no more metal shavings. I looked real good. So that's good enough. So I'm gonna clean it up now. Clean up under there and put a Honda Bond and put it back on and reseal the drain plug with some Honda Bond. For now, that's just temporary. I'm gonna get a new oil pan, but you know, they're not cheap. These are like almost $300 just for a K20A2 oil pan. But I'm gonna go ahead and do that and then we'll see if I go grab some oil. See if we can start her today. Not start her, but turn it over. So I got the oil pan back on. It was a pain in the butt to take off and put on. It was really on there. But I don't think in this video I'm going to be able to turn it over because I don't want to cram so much into one video. So I'm just going to finish taking this axle off the half shaft so I could bolt it up. And then I'll show you some of that. I've been fighting a headache all day. I'm trying to like fight through it so that way I can keep working on the car and film some stuff so that way I can upload some content and not, you know, slack off and wait months to put something. You know, I'm trying to keep every weekend record, you know, 2 or 3 videos and, you know, push them out throughout the week. So that way you guys can see that I'm, you know, have the content going. But I think I'm going to just end the video here. My head's pounding. I'm going to go home and relax. And then tomorrow I'll come and install the headers. Due to the fact that I need a hand putting these on because I have to go under the car and I'm obviously going to be fighting with the headers here, and then if I have to take the half shaft back out, you know, while someone holds the gasket because I don't have studs that come out. These are just bolts that go in and I'm missing 2. So I have the gasket up there. I need someone up here to hold the gasket and put the bolts in while I hold the header underneath. That's if I could get it through there again. But I want to thank you guys for, you know, watching my videos. And I'm not going to say anymore. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. You know, it's kind of like repetitive. But thanks for watching my videos. I appreciate it a lot. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.